Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to PNP Top News. Trump's dismantling of USAID sparked global safety concern. The Trump administration's swift dismantling of the U.S. Agency for International Development has left thousands of employees, especially those in dangerous regions, fearing for their safety and uncertain about their future. Many workers have been placed on administrative leave or locked out of a critical system. Trump's early action squeezed services for disabled American, trans youth and refugees. President Trump early moves to halt federal spending are restraining services for vulnerable groups across the U.S. A temporary freeze on federal grants disrupt funding for non-profit aiding disabled Americans, trans youth and refugees. Deadline approaches for federal workers on a Trump's resignation offer. Federal employees face a crucial discussion as a deadline for a President Trump deferred resignation offer approaches. By 11:59 p.m. ET Thursday, eligible workers must choose whether to accept a package allowing them to resign now while continuing to receive full pay through September. So far, about 40,000 workers, 2% of federal workforce, have accepted the offer. Trump's administration expected to place EPA, Environmental Justice and Civil Rights staff on leave. The Environmental Protection Agency is preparing to place employees from its Office of Environmental Justice and External Civil Rights on paid administrative leave, source tells CNN. This moves come as a part of President Trump's executive order targeting diversity, equity and inclusion initiative across federal agencies, including termination of environmental justice offices and positions. DOGE granted limited access to Treasury payment system. To employees from Elon Musk's Department of Government Efficiency will retain limited read-only access to the Treasury Department's sensitive payment system following a court agreement amid privacy concern. This system handles over $5 trillion annually, including tax returns, social security, and federal salaries. Federal Workers Union sued after reported revealed DOGE's involvement, fearing misuse of sensitive data.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.